Hello everyone, welcome back to Global Maritime. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of global shipping, one of the most essential yet overlooked industries that keeps the world moving. Did you know that without shipping, we'd struggle to get most of the products we use every day? From electronics to food and fuel, almost everything travels by sea. Stick around as we uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about global shipping that you probably didn't know. If you're excited to learn more, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Let's set sail into the first fact. Fact 1. 90% of global trade moves by sea. Did you know that nearly 90% of all global trade is carried by ships? That's right. Shipping is the backbone of the global economy, ensuring that goods reach every corner of the planet efficiently and affordably. Every year, over 11 billion tons of goods from raw materials to finished products travel across the oceans. Without it, many countries would face severe shortages of essential goods like food, medicine, and fuel. Some of the most transported items include crude oil, iron ore, and containerized consumer goods. The shipping network spans over 60,000 vessels globally, creating a web of interconnected supply chains. Fact 2. Shipping is one of the greenest modes of transport. While shipping may seem massive, it's actually one of the most environmentally friendly ways to move goods. On a per-ton basis, ships emit significantly less CO2 compared to trucks or planes. For example, moving 1 ton of cargo by ship uses about 10% of the fuel required for road transport. Modern innovations like LNG-powered vessels, wind-assisted propulsion systems, and alternative fuels such as ammonia and hydrogen are transforming the industry. These advancements aim to meet IMO's ambitious targets of reducing CO2 emissions by 50% by 2050. Fact 3. The largest ships can carry over 20,000 containers. The largest container ships, like the Everrace, can carry over 20,000 TEUs. That's 20-foot equivalent units. Imagine stacking 20,000 containers end to end. They'd stretch over 120 kilometers. These engineering marvels reduce costs and increase efficiency for global trade. To accommodate these giants, ports worldwide have invested billions in infrastructure upgrades like deeper harbors and larger cranes. Fact 4. Shipping is older than you think. Maritime trade has been around for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations like the Phoenicians and Greeks used ships to trade goods such as spices, textiles, and precious metals across the Mediterranean. The Romans even built specialized ships for transporting wine and olive oil. The Silk Road also had a maritime component, linking Asia with Europe via sea routes. These early networks laid the foundation for today's global trade systems. Fact 5. Flags of convenience. Did you know that most ships are registered under foreign flags like Panama or Liberia? These flags of convenience allow ship owners to benefit from lower taxes and fewer regulations, making it easier to operate globally. However, they also raise questions about labor conditions and environmental standards. Over 70% of the world's merchant fleet is registered under just a handful of countries. Critics argue that these registrations can sometimes shield ship owners from accountability in cases of accidents or labor disputes. Fact 6. Seafarers, the unsung heroes. Over 1.6 million seafarers work tirelessly to keep global trade moving. They endure months at sea, extreme weather, and long separations from their families. Without their dedication, the modern world would come to a standstill. Life at sea can be isolating, but seafarers are supported by organizations like the Mission to Seafarers, which provide essential services and advocacy. Fact 7. Pirate attacks are still a threat. Modern piracy is still a problem in parts of the world, particularly in the Gulf of Guinea and the Strait of Malacca. Ships now employ advanced security measures such as armed guards, high-pressure water cannons, and evasive maneuvers to protect their crews and cargo. In 2020 alone, over 195 incidents of piracy were reported worldwide. The economic impact of piracy is estimated to cost billions annually. Fact 8. The world's busiest ports. Ports like Shanghai, Singapore, and Rotterdam are the beating hearts of global trade. These mega hubs handle millions of containers annually, employing cutting-edge technology like automated cranes and AI systems to keep operations running smoothly. Shanghai port alone handled over 47 million TEUs in 2022, setting a global record. These ports are constantly innovating to meet growing trade demands. Fact 9. Shipping fuels global economies. Shipping doesn't just move goods, it drives entire economies. From creating millions of jobs to facilitating international trade, the maritime industry plays a critical role in global development and prosperity. The shipping industry contributes over $1.5 trillion annually to the global economy, supporting industries ranging from manufacturing to retail. Fact 10. Ships are recycling giants. At the end of their life, ships are dismantled and recycled for their steel and other valuable materials. This practice supports sustainability by reducing waste and providing raw materials for new industries. However, it also raises concerns about safety and environmental standards in shipbreaking yards. South Asia, particularly India and Bangladesh, handles the majority of global ship recycling. Efforts are underway to improve working conditions and reduce environmental harm. So there you have it, 10 incredible facts about global shipping. It's amazing how this industry keeps our world connected and our economies thriving. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Global Maritime for more insights into the world of global shipping. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Smooth sailing!